Hello guys, welcome back to my channel.
Today in this video I am going to show you how you can change PHP version in Hostinger. First log in your Hostinger account and then on the top bar here you can see website, click on that. Now select your website from here, click on manage. Now on the left panel here you can see this item. Just scroll down and click on advanced mode. Then here you can see PHP configuration. Just click on this. So now here you can see the different PHP version. Now if you want to change this PHP version, you can change it from here. Just select your preferable PHP version and click on update. Then it will be updated. So we have successfully updated our PHP version. So this is how you can change PHP version in Hostinger. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please do subscribe and hit the like button. See you in the next video.